What's good, fam? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a 2-point perspective grid. Start with the horizon line and place 2 points on either end and 1 point in the center. Draw a perpendicular line from the center and mark every inch for equal spacing. So far we have 2 vanishing points, a horizon line, and a center line. From the vanishing point, draw lines through your center line from both sides to start forming the perspective grid. Mirror this on both sides of the horizon line. Send lines out from both vanishing points using your eye to create even spacing. Using your straight edge, extend the lines that cross through the center line to cover your whole page. Add small increments to your center line nearest to the horizon. Draw lines from your vanishing point through your center line and extend them with your straight edge. Do this on both sides. This is how to create a 2-point perspective grid that we'll use to draw geometric shapes in 3D. Thanks for drawing with me, and I'll see you in the next video.